Okay, so today we are going to be making an authentic fennel orange salad, and trust me, it's going to be delicious. So if you've never made one before, never had it, you've got to watch this video. This is an authentic, true Italian recipe, and we're going to step through it right now. Ciao and benvenuto. My name is Liz, and welcome to Simple Italian Cooking. So to get started, you obviously need a fennel. I got lots of tips we're going to go through as well. So you're going to need lemon juice. I'm using some fresh lemon from lemon juice from a half of a lemon that I happen to have in the fridge, but you can also buy lemon squeeze. I really like this particular one. This brand, I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, but it's organic and it's fresh lemon juice. You're going to need an orange, obviously. Make sure that it's nice and ripe, and salt, pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is actually clean the fennel. So a lot of times when I buy fennel, if I don't use it right away, or maybe it started aging at the store, fennel can be hard to come by. So you kind of got to get it while you can. It'll have these little brown spots. I scrub the fennel to get off any dirt, anything like that. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to use a knife, and we're just going to go ahead and just kind of shave that off. We don't have to throw out the whole leaf, but just enough to get those brown spots off. Okay, and then you can also cut off the top here. We don't need this. You can keep some of the feathery stuff for later if you want to use it as a garnish. I'm not going to bother to do that today. Let's go ahead and set this aside, so we don't need that anymore. All right, so grab yourself, this is literally how easy it is, grab yourself a serving bowl, and we're first going to work on the fennel. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off the bottom. Like I said, I probably waited a day or two, so that's why I wasn't planning on doing this video today, but really wanted to do this video for everybody. And it's something that I've been wanting to make for quite a while. Okay, so next what we do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut it lengthwise, like this. Okay? And you're going to see that there's a hard core in there, which is really typical with root vegetables. So we're just going to go ahead and cut that out. Now that we have the fennel cut, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in strips this way. Okay? And very, very thin. The first time I had raw fennel was when visiting my in-laws in Ohio when first married. And it was the summertime, and they had fresh fennel. And I loved it right away. You can just eat it raw. It's healthy for you. Tastes great. So what I'm actually going to do for this video, my husband is on a really strict diet for health reasons, and he's not allowed to have certain oils. So even though I'm going to prepare this, I'm actually going to prepare the dressing separately so that I can add it on part of the salad and keep the other half for him. Okay, so I'm going to break all these up. And I think fennel is an acquired taste for some people. If you're not familiar with it, if you kind of taste it and you're not sure what to think about it, definitely give it a chance. Because like I said, I think it can be an acquired taste for some people because it does. It's such a unique vegetable. Okay, so here's what we have. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut the onion, the orange. And this time, the way we're going to cut it is I'm actually going to cut off the end here. And what we want to do is make sure that we are not getting any white. So I'm going to cut it like this, making sure not to get that pith I think it's called. And this is how you make this is one of those tips that will turn a good salad into an exceptional salad. It's these little things that's getting rid of that little bitterness. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to actually cut the wedges out. So to do this, you just simply slice down one side here on one side of the membrane, and then take your knife and kind of scoop it out, and it'll pull it off of the other one. So we're just going to add it in like that. And again, scoop it out. Yeah. And leave that membrane there. I don't want that. And then just kind of slide your knife under it. It comes right off. It's really cool. Because when your guests are going to be eating this, you don't want them like having a hard time chewing it. That's not a good experience. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to go ahead and squeeze the juice in here. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me rinse this. Now you're going to take the juice of a lemon and just grab a fork here. And we're just going to go ahead and squeeze that in, just like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some salt, just a dash. Oh, and let me grab a part that I didn't get salt on. I got to set some aside for my husband. Just take some of this, put it in here. I don't know how much he'll want. Give him some of these. So you can do, I'm going to do another orange. Figure about an orange or a half an orange per person, you know, and then the fennel like might be enough for like 2, or it really just depends how much you want to serve. Okay, so I got his set aside. I don't have to worry about that now. I got the salt. Let's do a crack of black pepper. Okay, and that's optional. You don't have to do that. Do a drizzle of olive oil. And you can see the dressing is on the bottom. Now you can add additional herbs if you want. You can even add a little bit of prosciutto if you want. Such a great combo. The lemon, the orange, the fennel, and the olive oil. What a great flavor. That is really, really nice. And I think this is the type of salad that you could let it sit out and marinate. Really let it absorb. But this is really healthy. So, and that's what, especially with my husband needing to be a lot, we have to really change the way we eat. So I'm trying to incorporate as many Italian-esque type recipes and healthier recipes so that we all can be happy. But I mean, eating healthy is wonderful, and that's one thing that the Italians do. They eat really healthy. I mean, so much of the Mediterranean diet is just healthy foods. So many people have different ways of making a fennel orange salad. This is very traditional. That's what I'm showing you today. So if you have your own special way of making it, maybe a way that you grew up with it, your grandparents, or maybe the way you've had it in Italy, maybe you live in Italy, share in the comments below for everybody other ways that you've made this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, sign up for my newsletter. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter because you get more recipes like this delivered right to your inbox. So thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, grazie e ciao.